everyone, Assalamualaikum. I count 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's correct. Now, what further? Just another video. Guys, I'm gonna show you something. Close your eyes, guys. Ta-da! I got a new Christmas card. It's the same.
I drew that.
This is my sister draw it. Here's a present here and a Christmas tree and then more presents and a Christmas tree and a put star and another one too. Decorations, another decorations and a full tree. Guys, this is me, Gibran. I'm gonna show you a challenge. Watch us check. My father's name is Asha Bluebell, and my mother's name is my mother's name is Aki Sama. My sister's name is Maisuns, and my name is Muhammad Gibran.